This one might be a little bit more followable, I guess. It's not some random microscopic thing. It's a mosquito leg. How many joints are there in a mosquito leg? 1, 2, 3. Okay, it seems like 3, but sorry, this is very hard to control. It's very small. That's a broken section. So they seem hairy like other animals, but not quite the same level of spikiness. Like, do you remember the Daddy Longlegs leg? That was interesting. That was almost serrated. This, on the other hand, seems like it has small hairs and just occasional bumps, but doesn't seem as spiky. I guess mosquitoes don't really have to worry about climbing on ceilings or dealing with webs as much. Just have to more land on stuff that's, like, land vertically on stuff and not upside down. It's interesting. But you can really see through it. I do like the fact that it does seem to have hairs everywhere. That's interesting. Yeah. That's interesting because you can see like the knee and like a little ankle thing and then foot. But yeah, it's interesting. You get distracted. Anyway, but yeah, it's because normally with a lot of stuff that I've been doing with this section, because I'm on the 4th slide out of like 200. With a lot of them, it's just it's really hard to see because they're really small and much smaller than my microscope can register. This, on the other hand, is at least large enough that you can see some detail. You can see the hairs, you can see the fact that that part broke off. You can see some detail there. Unlike the other ones, like with the rotifer or the rotifer or the paramecium, it was just kind of splotches. But with this, you actually get to see the entire thing, which is a welcome change. Huh. Seems to end in like a little bit of a hook, which makes sense considering, again, like while they don't have to land on or walk along ceilings or anything like that. Sorry. Sorry. Well, they don't have to worry about ceilings and stuff like that. They do have to worry about an animal moving. So having a hook on the bottom would definitely help with that. I'm pretty sure this is the bottom because it's thinner than the other end. But yeah, because it's based on how animals work. This... Wait, where is it? That should be the upper leg, and that should be the mosquito equivalent of a foot. The question is, what happened with this leg? Is that a different kind of leg? Let me look up a mosquito on Google. Let's see if they have different kinds of legs. Oh, they do. Almost seems like they have like one big leg, or like a couple big legs, and then like a pair of small legs. Maybe that's the difference. I wonder if I get to see the, what is the name of the mouth parts? Proboscis? If that's the name, I hope we get to see that. It might not be the name, though. But yeah, interesting. Well, anyway, that is a, Mosquito leg.